I raise my arms to the sky.
1 Billion Rising was launched in 2013, and it was the first time that students from Webster University also rose that year. 1 in 3 women are either sexually or physically or emotionally violated. Today they make a mark. We've got both boys and girls, both men and women, who've been wearing pink t-shirts throughout the week, and they are standing up for something. This year, in 2018, the theme is solidarity.
When you look at the history of Webster University, we were founded by women and for women. So what we basically tried to do from the very beginning is empower women to play leadership roles.
So today we stand up, we rise, and we rise for those who don't have a voice. What gives me great pleasure is the fact that this particular rising has been completely managed and led by students. Therefore, I see it as a great example of global citizenship, that students took the initiative of communicating, promoting the event, organizing it, and for each of them it means something. We are hoping that we have more campuses joining in. We've got 2 more this year, which is Webster Ghana and Webster Vienna. It means for them that they can stand up for people who don't have a voice and be a part of that campaign. For me, this is a big lesson learned from the students, that they can have a voice and they can speak up in different forms, and they rise in solidarity.
We hope that our students will become more aware of this issue, because it's still a long way to go.
Everyone who watches this can take forward this campaign wherever they are in 2019.